Hi, I'm Sachi and welcome back to another video in our drugstore recommendation series. Today we're going to be talking about a product that's an absolute staple which I reach for every single morning to make myself look a little more awake. This list contains 5 of my absolute favorite drugstore mascaras that I promise are going to give you amazing results. A common complaint amongst women when it comes to mascaras is that they're either too flaky and come off easily or they're too clumpy and difficult to get off. The L'Oreal Million Lashes Mascara lies perfectly balanced in between these two demons. It has a uniquely designed wand which gives you a fanned out effect and ensures evenly coated lashes without any clumps whatsoever. This mascara has a waterproof version as well, but I prefer this one because it stays put for as long as I need it to, but still comes off in a jiffy with just a mild cleanser or coconut oil. A mascara that I cannot stop raving about and has been my companion through thick and thin is Maybelline's Colossal Waterproof Mascara. If you guys watch my videos here on Glamorous, you'll notice that this mascara is a staple in my makeup kit, and with good reason too. It's extremely pigmented and just a few swipes of it will give me long lashes that stay put through just about anything. Rubbing, spicy food and even tears. It contains a skin booster, collagen, that nourishes the lashes and encourages thickness and growth. Because it's extremely long wearing, it can be difficult to take off at the end of the day, but all you need to do is douse a cotton pad with waterproof makeup remover, hold it on your eyes for a few seconds and then wipe away in a downward motion. It'll come right off. Wary of eyelash curlers but still want that perfectly curled effect? Don't worry, I've been there too, which is why I always reach for Maybelline's Hyper Curl for special occasions where I want a dramatic lash without the use of falsies. This mascara is waterproof too, so I think it's a great investment for the humid summer months and even the damp rainy season to come as well. I like to use my tried and tested wiggle and roll motion with the curved brush, and it gives me the best results by evenly coating each lash and giving me both volume and a curl. It claims to last up to 18 hours, but I've personally worn it for about 13, so it's definitely a winner. Lotus is a natural skincare and cosmetic brand that combines their knowledge of the Vedas with the trending new technology, and this mascara is one of their best sellers, which is why I decided to try it out. Very few mascaras layer as well as this one, so on days that I want a natural look, I just do 1 or 2 light layers, but I can easily build that up to multiple coats for a dramatic effect without worrying about cracking or flaking. It contains natural witch hazel extracts that nourish the lash with each application and is fragrance-free. This basically makes it a boon for those of us with sensitive eyes. This mascara is so well formulated that in spite of being all natural, it's smudge-free and waterproof. I've tried serums for my body, face and even hair. But a mascara infused with a lash serum at such an affordable price was an item I just couldn't skip out on purchasing. Infused with seaweed and lemon extracts, the Colorbar Growth Booster Serum is said to boost lash growth by 1 mm in just 30 days. I'll be honest with you guys, I do have long lashes that grow back pretty quickly, so I can't completely say this was a result of the serum, but my lashes definitely feel a lot lighter and softer whenever I reach for this particular mascara. Because the formula is so weightless, it's perfect for those of you that want an extremely natural look and well separated lashes with minimal effort. The packaging is beautiful and the product is paraben and cruelty free as well. Beautiful lashes are a girl's best friend. So go get your hands on your favorite mascara from my list today. Don't forget to check out all our other videos in this drugstore recommendation series. We have everything from foundations and concealers to even lipsticks. If you have any other products that you'd like us to test out for you and recommend, do let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.